Here you all come. Wow, look at this.
Good morning.
Good
Yeah.
morning, Mr. Payne.
Good morning. Right.
Morning. Morning. Morning.
Morning. Lovely to hear you all. Now you need to put yourself on mute, please.
Okay. Mr. Payne.
Hello. Wow, there's hundreds of you.
Okay, we're going to mute, yeah?
How lovely to see everyone. Now, we're just going to take a little bit of time because I've got to let everybody in. And not everyone's here on time. I'm just looking around and seeing some of your faces. Well, you look a little bit more awake than me, a lot of you. Mr. Parsons is looking bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. See if you can find him. Who else can I see? Oh, there's Miss Brennan. Hello, Miss Brennan. Mrs. Dodd's looking very serious this morning. Oh, and there's Miss Cutler sitting in a dark room. Oh, still people joining. Right, now, what we need is we need to make sure that you have got yourself a pen and paper, and I'll explain all in a moment, but we still have people joining the meeting, so. So you can see, if you look around, you'll be able to see some of your friends, and also you can see inside school where we have some people learning as well in the various different classrooms. Now, I mean, obviously I could go round and I could do the usual thing where we ask everybody to shout and give us a wave. That's going to take quite a bit of time because at the moment we've got 205 different people all in the meeting. So that's a lot of people. Right. It's an exciting day today. It's Monday. It's the 11th of January. And we are kind of launching today our remote school, which means that the teachers for the first time are going to be coming live into your classroom, whether that's in school or whether that's at home in your kitchen or whether in the lounge, wherever you are, your teachers are going to try and come live into your classroom so that they can teach you. And it's really interesting. I've just been having a little chat with some of the teachers and they're all very nervous because you don't think that about teachers, do you? You think they're all very confident and ready to go, but this is a new experience for everybody. So be kind. And if things don't quite work as we'd like them to today, we'll learn from that. And you know what we always say to you, it's really good to make mistakes because if we make mistakes, we learn from them and then we try and get better for next time. And we've got a few weeks of this coming up, so we've got plenty of time to get better and to get absolutely sorted. Now, I know that some of you have got a lesson starting at 9:15, so I'm under strict instructions this morning to get on with it. Which I am occasionally not known for doing. Sometimes my worships go on a little bit too long. So I am not going to waste time. We're going to start our game straight away. So first and most important thing is that if you have a pen in your hand at the moment, you must put it down on the table. Don't want to see anybody with pens in their hand at the moment. You will need your pen soon, but not yet. Okay? So you'll need your pen soon because we're going to play a game which is called the generation game. And some of you may know this, but unfortunately, embarrassingly, some of your parents won't even know this because it's a cultural reference that goes straight over the head of people who aren't as old as me. So I'm going to explain what the game is. It's very simple. What would happen on television is there would be a conveyor belt, but I don't have a conveyor belt here, so I'm just going to use my magic hand. And I am going to pass some items across the screen in front of you. And you have got to try the very best that you can to see how many of those items you are able to remember. And then after all of those items have gone past, I'm going to stop the music and you're going to have a short amount of time to try and write down as many of the items as you can remember as possible. So that's why your pen's got to be down now, because no cheating. You're not allowed to write them down as they come past the screen. There's no point doing that. When I stop, when I've shown you all the items, then it's going to be your opportunity to try and see how many you can get. I could pretend that there was an amazing prize for winning this, but we've now got what? 216 different screens all going at the same time, 218 now. And so it's going to be impossible for us to do that. You're just going to have to try and do the best that you can. And then maybe we'll all write our scores down and we'll hold them up at the end and you can see whether or not you managed to do better or worse than the people who are around you on your screen. So does everybody understand what I'm asking you to do? Give me a thumbs up if you understand the rules of the game. Okay, there's lots of thumbs up there. That's really good. I'm just going to go to a different screen. Different screen. Give me thumbs up if you understand the rules of the game. Amazing. Very good. Well done. And I can see there, pick random. Look, Rosie's got dad with her, I think. So that's amazing. Going to help her out. Amazing. Mr. Holland's looking very serious there. He's got his glasses on, ready to go. Holly, I could see Mum's next to you as well. She's not allowed to help out. That's cheating. All right, so lots and lots of people. Now I've got some special music. I worked really hard to try and find the right music for this. So here we go. We're going to play the generation game. No cheating, no writing anything down until I tell you that I've finished all the items. Here we go. Here's your music. Oh, yes. Here we go then. So. Oh, right. I'm just going to get back so I can see me. There we go. A shoe. A shoe. A robot. Here we go. A police car. A dinosaur. A fork. A whiteboard marker pen. A doctor's stethoscope. A school tie. A clock. A toy soldier. A cuddly toy. A feather. A pack of mini eggs. Just got to start my music again. There we go. A pair of pants. A fire extinguisher. A remote control. A book. A St. James's cardigan. A toy plane, a red arrows. A Satsuma. And a Playmobil character. There we go. Right, stop the music. That's it. That's the end of your items. How many can you write down? You've got 50 seconds. Should have some other music here, some tense, nervous music. Oh. I can see lots of you concentrating hard. What's really worrying is I can see Miss Bowen, and she has properly got her head on. She's very competitive. She's not going to want anyone to beat her. Mrs. Clark also looks like she's taking this very seriously. Maybe you'll have a chance to see whether or not you beat your teacher later on. I could see the Nimmos in their classroom working hard next to each other. Very good. Smilta and Augustus, they're working hard together as well. Some puzzled faces. Some people are hitting the wall. They seem to have got to the moment where they can't quite remember what else is next. Oh, Ollie and Evie Allen, there you go. They're working together. Keep thinking, guys. You stop writing. I'm sure you can come up with things. Morning, Hamish. Lovely to see you. Having a go at our game. Morning. We got people in Paris class there. Right. Okay, so I'm saying you've got 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Mr. Parsons has stopped writing. He's given up. Mrs. Dodd's got her thinking face on. She's got that finger on her mouth going, oh, I knew this. I knew this. That's exactly the same face that Meg's got as well, actually. I'm thinking. Miss Cutler's just got a bemused smile on her face, saying this game's got me. It's too much for me. Hello, Mrs. Hurley. I can see you're working hard. Very good. Miss Green's finding it all very amusing. Miss Martin's not. She's I'm properly serious about this. She's treating it like one of her weekend swims in the sea. Ivy Sim tapping her head, going, come on, what else was there? Right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop writing. Mr. Slattery, that means you too. I can see you still writing. Pens down, hands up. There we go. Everybody stop writing. All right, then, let me see. Let me go back to where I am, and we're going to quickly, look at me, I am about to run over time. Typical, this is very naughty. So let's quickly go through and mark your own work. All right, let me see what you have got. And so we have got a robot. Did you get the robots? Give yourself a tick if you did. A toy soldier. A doctor's stethoscope. These are my favorite bits when you see people's faces going, no, I forgot that. I knew that was there. Oh, just throw him a Satsuma away. A Satsuma. A dinosaur. A fork. All these things that I thought I remembered. A toy plane, the red arrows. A reading book. A whiteboard marker pen. A remote control. Your faces are brilliant. A Playmobil person without his hair, actually. Look, didn't see that. There we go. A St. James cardigan. A fire extinguisher. A cuddly toy. A pair of pants. A pack of mini eggs. A clock. A shoe. A St. James tie. A police car. And a feather. Well done. So that's it. Count up how many you got. Let me see how many there were in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That looks like there were 20 items in total. Write down how many you got on your piece of paper. How many did you get right? Okay. And I could see, lots of people writing this in the chat. Lovely. So we got, some really, really good ones. Very good. Excellent. So you can have a look in the chat and see how everybody got on. Show it up. Look in the bed. Let me go and find out now. Hang on. Miss Bowen. Come on then. Competitive Bowen. What did you get? I can't see it. 30, 15. 15 for Miss Bowen. Let me see if I can find any of the other teachers to see what they got. Right, Mrs. Clark. Go on then. 15 as well. Oh, tied. Mr. Holland, how did you do? Mr. Holland got 10. Well done, Mr. Holland. Brave and valiant effort. Let me see who else I can see. Mr. Thomas. Good morning, Mr. Thomas. How did you do? 15 as well. Oh, 15. So no teacher's got better than 15 at the moment. I'm sure there are some others somewhere. I can't find them though, and I'm overrunning, so I'm going to be in trouble. There you go. Mr. Parsons. Mr. Parsons isn't going to show us. Oh, no, he's not even awake, Mr. Parsons. This bodes well. Mrs. Dodd. Mrs. Dodd's like the quiz master. If she didn't get 20, it should be, hang on, what is that? 14. 14. Oh, dear. Mr. Parsons, go on, show us then. Not that many. Oh, that's chicken. He just wrote not that many on a piece of paper. Last teacher I can see. Miss Cutler, what did you get, Miss Cutler? 12. 12. So 15 looks like the best score that we got as adults in the school. If you got better than that, you are amazing. Well done. Listen, we are good to go. We're ready to start our remote learning. All of you who are at home, who are going to be watching the teachers on the screen, don't forget, be kind, be smiling, be patient. All right. We're really looking forward to seeing you all, and we will do this together. Okay. We will try our very best. Some days it might be difficult. Some days it might feel a bit easier, but we're going to keep going. All right. As St. James, we'll try and do some more of these assemblies all together. You are amazing. All right. We love you all. We miss you, but we are all still together, and we'll see you on the screens. So have a great day. Those of you who are about to start a lesson, I apologize to those teachers. I've run 3 minutes into your lesson time. So you need to jump off and go onto Teams. Everybody have a good day. Have a great week, and we will see you all again soon. All right. Mwah. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. And I'm going to turn you all off in.
Bye.
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 Bye.